So when you're setting up the stand for your screen with the LED front, you will receive three things. You will receive the stand base, the stand column, and the stand bracket. Now the first step to assembling this is to connect the column onto the base. Now there will be a little black circle on the base which indicates the side which is the back of the screen. You will also see a little notch as to where the power cable could come out the bottom. So from here you just need to connect the base onto the bottom using the screws that are already in the column bottom. And then make sure you feed the power cable through the hole to come out of the back of the base. Now once you've done this, the next part is to connect the bracket onto the back of the screen. Now all you'll need is the accessory bag of the screws that comes with it to be able to fasten that both onto the screen and then afterwards onto the top of the column. Now it's very important that you remember that on the bottom you've got the power cable, and on the top of the column you'll have the power cable as well as the LED power strip power cable. So when you connect it onto the back of the screen, connect it onto the base by feeding the cables through the middle and making sure they are fully connected.